Today's project is a line sculpture, paper version. Supplies you need to finish this project are colorful paper, a ruler, a marker or pencil, scissors, and a glue stick. Step 1. Use the ruler, marker, and scissors to make lines. Before I begin, I'm going to write my name on the back of my paper. It'll be a lot easier to do this before you get started. All these lines will be in your way if you wait until the end. I chose black paper for my base. I can put that aside, move all the other papers out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. I don't want to waste paper, so I'm going to put the ruler right on the edge of the red paper. I'm not going to measure how wide it is, I'm just going to use the width of the ruler. I use my marker to trace down that ruler's edge, and I use the scissors to cut the line. Later, we'll make the lines look more like they are going to look. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. I've got all 6 lines cut. Now we're ready for step 2. Fold and cut the paper into the lines that you want. I'm going to go in rainbow order again. I'm going to start with red. I like it a straight line. I'm going to use orange is a curvy line or a wavy line, and now yellow is going to be a zigzag. I'm going to fold it like a fan. Back and forth. Making sure to crease each little fold in the paper. Leaving a little space so I have a little foot. So I have something to put the glue on so it stays on the base. Make sure I have a foot on both sides. The green paper is going to be a spiral or a curlicue. With my scissors closed, I'm running it down the length of the paper, and that kind of gives it a little bit of a curl. Make sure your scissors are closed when you do this. Do not do this with open scissors or you could cut yourself. If you're scared to do that, don't worry about it. The blue line's going to be straight fat line, so I'm going to turn the uneven zigzag line, my purple. It's not quite as simple as a fold like or as a fan fold like the yellow one, because each line segment of this zigzag is going to be longer or shorter depending on where it is. You can see my pipe cleaner up at the top of the screen in the corner. That's kind of the shape I'm going for this line. Got to make sure I have little feet on the bottoms of it so I have something to glue to the base. Now all the paper has been folded. Let's think about this red one. Got to make sure it has a foot. But if I put it one too big, it'll look like a curved line or a wavy line. I want these straight, so if I cut it, then I have 2 straight red lines. Now we're ready for step 3. Use glue stick to glue lines to base. With those little feet on the end of each line, you're going to put the glue on the little foot and then just smooth it out and stick it anywhere on that base you want. Make sure the surface is cleared, wiped off of any little pencil shavings or little scraps of paper. This is the wavy line. So fold the foot, put the glue on the foot. That's what I mean by little foot. There we go. Stick it on the base, figure out where it's going to end. I'll put a twist on it because I think it looks a little more interesting than just like a arc over the edge of the paper. Get back here. Alright. Next up is the yellow zigzag. Put glue on the feet again. You could attach both ends to the base, or you could attach one end of the line to the base and the other one to another line, but I want them all going on the base. The green curl time. I guess it could be a coil too, or a spiral. I think it looks like a curl because it's kind of fat. Make sure the foot is on there. Put a lot of glue stick on there, make sure it sticks down all the way. This one's a little too long, so I'm going to cut it. Now I cut it in half, put a little foot on it too. And the last line is the uneven purple line, the zigzag. Getting a little crowded on this base, but I think it looks kind of interesting when all the lines are really close to each other. Another view of the finished project. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your artwork.